You know that quiet moment when the world feels still and your heart whispers something you can't quite explain. That feeling that says, I'm meant for more. You can't see it yet, but you feel it, like a small light burning behind your ribs, waiting for its time to shine. And right now, that light is calling you. So don't scroll. Don't skip. Because what you're about to hear might just awaken something you forgot inside yourself. Take a slow breath, in and out. Good. This isn't just a video. This is you meeting the version of yourself who never gave up. The one who kept believing even when no one else did. You've been trying, learning, falling, getting back up. And maybe you've started wondering, when will it finally work? When will I finally feel confident, fluent, unstoppable? Listen carefully. The answer isn't in the future. It's right here, in this moment, because everything starts when you decide not to give up on your own voice. You see, most people wait for the perfect moment. They say, I'll start when I'm ready. But truth is, no one ever feels ready. The brave ones. They start anyway. So today, you start again. But this time, not like before. Not with fear. Not with doubt. This time, you start with belief. Say this slowly with me. I'm not waiting for confidence. I'm building it. Again, I'm not waiting for confidence. I'm building it. Good. Because real confidence isn't something you find. It's something you create through every word you speak. Now close your eyes for a second. Picture yourself 1 year from now. You walk into a room full of people speaking English. You smile. You introduce yourself. You're not translating in your head. You're flowing. Every sentence feels natural. Every word feels free. That's not a dream. That's your direction. And it starts here. So let's walk together through the story of your voice, from fear to freedom, from silence to strength. Let's start from the beginning. There was a time you wanted to say something, but the words froze. You knew them, you practiced them, but your tongue refused to move. Your heart raced. And in that moment, you told yourself, maybe I'm not good enough. But what if I told you that wasn't failure? That was your courage knocking on the door. It's not fear trying to stop you. It's your potential trying to break out. Fear is not your enemy. It's the fire that forges your strength. Say this with me. I'm not afraid of fear. I learn from it. Once again, I'm not afraid of fear. I learn from it. Good. Because every time you face fear, you grow one sentence at a time. Now, imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning. The sun's just rising, golden light spilling across your room. You stretch your arms, smile, and whisper, today, I speak with confidence. You walk to the mirror. You look at yourself and say, my voice is not small. My voice is strong. You make your coffee. You take that first warm sip, and something feels different. You're not running from English anymore. You're walking with it. You open your mouth and say, I am proud of my progress. I am learning every day. I am growing with every word. Say those lines again, slower this time, from your heart. Now pause. Feel how your breathing matches your rhythm. That's not just learning English. That's training your identity. You've been taught to study English with your mind. But the truth is, your voice learns through rhythm. Your brain remembers sound, not grammar. Emotion, not translation. So when you speak, don't try to be perfect. Try to be real. Because real is unforgettable. Say this: I don't need to sound perfect. I need to sound real. Again, I don't need to sound perfect. I need to sound real. Beautiful. Because the world doesn't need another perfect speaker. It needs you. Your accent, your story, your truth. Now, let's shadow together, rhythm and power combined. I am learning to speak with calm and confidence. I can express myself clearly. I choose to focus on progress, not perfection. Every mistake helps me grow. I am becoming fluent, one word at a time. Repeat these slowly. Let each sentence echo. You see, your tongue is a muscle. Your voice is a muscle. They grow with practice, not pressure. So next time you forget a word, don't panic. Smile. That moment isn't proof of failure, it's proof of learning. Let's talk about something deeper: self-judgment. You know that voice inside your head that says, your accent sounds weird. You're too slow. You'll never sound natural. That voice isn't truth, it's just old programming. Someone told you long ago that mistakes are bad. But in language, mistakes are magic. They're proof that you're alive, that you're trying, that you're becoming. Say this: my mistakes are not my weakness. They are my progress. Again, my mistakes are not my weakness. They are my progress. Good. Now imagine your younger self, the version of you who first dreamed of speaking English. They weren't afraid. They were curious, excited, brave. That version of you still exists. It's time to bring them back. You might not realize this, but your voice has power. It's more than words. It carries your energy, your story, your emotion. Think about it: your favorite actor, your favorite speaker, your favorite teacher. You don't remember them for their grammar. You remember how they made you feel. So when you speak, don't just share words, share energy. Let people feel your presence through your tone, your eyes, your smile. Say this with me: my voice can make people feel. Again, my voice can make people feel. That's your superpower. Let's practice presence. Breathe in slowly. Now say, I am here. I am present. I am ready. Repeat, I am here. I am present. I am ready. Now let's talk about flow, the secret to sounding natural. Fluency isn't speaking fast. It's speaking connected. It's when your thoughts and words dance together, and that flow comes from practice, not fear. So next time you shadow, don't rush. Speak like you're painting each word a color, each pause a breath. Say this: I speak slowly, but powerfully. I speak clearly with confidence. I speak with love for my voice. Perfect. Now imagine this scene. You're walking through a busy city street, cars passing, people talking. You walk into a cafe. The smell of coffee fills the air. You order, "Hi, can I get a latte, please?" The barista smiles. You smile back. You sit down. You open your notebook. You write, "I'm doing it. I'm speaking freely." That's not far away. That's your next chapter. Let's build your inner story with affirmations that rewire your brain. I am confident when I speak. I am growing stronger every day. I am open to learning. I am patient with myself. I believe in my journey. Again, but slower. I am confident when I speak. I am growing stronger every day. I am open to learning. I am patient with myself. I believe in my journey. You see, every time you repeat these, your brain creates new pathways, ones filled with courage, not fear. Now let's face one of the biggest enemies of progress, comparison. You look at others and think, they're better than me. But you don't see their hours of practice, their failures, their tears. You only see the highlight. Never compare your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. You're not behind. You're on your own path. Say this: I don't compare. I prepare. Again. I don't compare. I prepare. Perfect. Now let's go a little deeper. Every language has a heartbeat. English is not just words, it's rhythm, music, emotion. So when you speak, imagine you're playing a melody. Your pauses are your beats. Your words are your notes. Your emotion is the music. That's what makes you unforgettable. Say this: I don't speak English to impress. I speak English to express. Yes, again. I don't speak English to impress. I speak English to express. That's it. Now, let's rebuild your story, your journey from silence to strength. You started with hesitation. You practiced in your room. You whispered words no one heard. You made mistakes. You felt small. But you never stopped. And that's what makes you powerful. Because confidence isn't built overnight. It's built every time you speak, even when it's hard. Say this: I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of who I'm becoming. Again. I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of who I'm becoming. Now, let's talk about something magical: gratitude. When you focus on what's missing, you feel small. But when you focus on what you've built, you grow. Say this: I'm thankful for my voice. I'm thankful for my growth. I'm thankful for today. When gratitude fills your heart, fear has no room to stay. Let's end this with your final transformation. Close your eyes. Imagine your voice filling a room. People listening, smiling, feeling inspired not because you're perfect, but because you're real. Say this: my voice matters. My story matters. I matter. Breathe in. Exhale slowly. That's the sound of your new beginning. From this moment forward, every word you speak carries power, purpose, and pride. Don't chase perfection. Chase connection. Don't fear mistakes. Fear silence. Because silence hides your light. And the world needs your light. You were never behind. You were always becoming. So speak. Speak even when your voice shakes. Speak even when no one listens. Speak because your voice is your gift to the world. Say it one last time with me. I am ready. I am confident. I am unstoppable. I am me. And that is enough.